everyone, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. Today, we are going to learn how to create card using Materialize CSS. So if you haven't watched our previous video, we highly recommend you to watch it. The link is mentioned inside the description box. Card will help to show very important information in pretty short format. These days, cards in website are pretty common and majority of the website uses card to show information in clean and tidy way. So without any further ado, let's start learning Materialize CSS Cards. To create a card, first, create a new row. Inside it, create a column of size S12 and M6. Then create a div of class card, add color to it and have a darkened shaded. To create another div which will contain our card content, add class card content, then add text as color white. Inside the content, first add title inside the span tag which will have class of card title. Then add a paragraph of card which type you want inside the card. Now we can see that a card has been appeared. We can make our card more descriptive by adding a card action below card. To do so, we need to create a div of class card action. Then create a link tag inside it and add your link. Let's now check out another type of card, image card. To make it, we have to create another row with a column. Then create a div of class card. Inside it, create a card image class. Then inside it, add an image tag along with an image of your choice. Then similarly, create another card content components. And here we can see our image card has been appeared. We can set the height of image so it won't expand while we increase screen size. Card can also have a floating action button to create, so we need to add a link tag with class of button floating, halfway button along with other button classes. Then we can add some icon inside it using material font. We can also create a horizontal card. With same image card classes and tag. To make the content appear on horizontal size, we need to add card stack class with div inside it, which will contain card content. And here we can see that a horizontal card is working. Let's not create a reveal card. To do so, we can create a card similar to image card. Then we can add another div of class card, reveal inside it. We can again type a card title and content. And we can see that our card reveal is working fine. Oh no, we forgot to add info icon. To do so, we can add icon, which is class of material icon. Similarly, we can add close icon. To make card small or large, we can use class large, medium or small to make card of different sizes. We can make card panel by using card panel class. So this is how we are going to create cards using Materialize CSS. For now, I'll be signing off. We'll see you in the next video.